welcome to my channel. I'm Emily, aka the Petite Beauty Blogger. In today's video I'm going to get into depth as to why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. For years now I've always done makeup, I've been into makeup. I qualified as a pro makeup artist, so I've got my qualification. It's up on my wall, framed just there, because I'm really proud of it. And I love doing makeup on other people. You know, I try to make it my job. I'm obsessed with it, and I get a lot of questions because I'm kind of in that time now where a lot of people ask me, why don't you do your looks that you do on Instagram but in videos? And I was always a bit skeptical. To start on my channel, I didn't speak at all because I have this massive problem with my voice. I've never really liked it, so I always did just the look with no talking, and then I just decided, why not start talking? And I started doing videos during obviously the pandemic. I had nothing to do, we were all obviously stuck at home on lockdown, and I was spending my days doing makeup anyway, practicing, doing different looks, and I thought, why not waste some time doing, well, not waste, but you know, use up a lot of my time doing videos. And I started to get into it and I started to enjoy it, and I had friends and family in that say, I like your videos, so you know. And makeup for me has always been an escape. I'm not gonna get into a sub story about it now because I really want this channel to be positive, but you know, life hasn't always been positive, so makeup for me has really helped me come out the other side and be positive about life, and it's given me a passion that I love. You know, I've always done makeup from an early age, from dancing, being in dance shows, you know, performances, you always have to wear makeup, so I've always been around makeup. I've always enjoyed it, and I thought, why not start my own channel and maybe see where that takes me? You know, makeup has always been a big passion of mine. It's got me out some pretty bad times. It's, you know, helped me with my confidence. You know, I've never always liked the way I look. So being able to do makeup in a way that changes the way I look, I know that can be quite toxic for some people, so obviously I don't, you know, agree with getting too obsessed with it, but it really has helped me, and I go out a lot more often now. I never really went out before. I struggled, you know, leaving the house. I really didn't want to leave the house, but now I've perfected how I love doing my makeup. I feel a bit more confident to go outside. So, you know, and doing this channel has really helped me, because although, yeah, I am still stuck inside, it's given me a purpose, something to do, it's keeping me occupied. And really, if anyone leaves my channel feeling better, feeling more calm, then that's really the best I can ask for. If someone leaves and says, you know, you've taken my mind off things for half an hour, then that's the best thing I can ask for. And I'm not going to get emotional, but if I have the power to make someone feel better, brighten their day, then that's, you know, the greatest gift I can give you. And I'm not usually that deep or that clever with words, but I just want this space to be a kind, safe space for anyone dealing with problems, anyone of any shape, colour, you know, background. Makeup is so universal and it should be enjoyed by everyone, so that's what this channel is all about, just having fun with makeup. And of course, because I want this to be a kind space, I saw this quote the other day that really made me think, and I live by it. It was, in years to come, you'll never look back and regret being kind. And that just stuck with me, because we live in a world now where obviously on social media there's a lot of hate, and you know, people are a lot more honest, or fake honest, if that makes sense. You know, people will just be mean for the sake of being mean. So I really want this page to just be about makeup. There's going to be no drama, it's all going to be honest, and it's just going to be about loving life and loving makeup. And if you have the same passions as me, comment below, subscribe. Now, I do believe makeup has completely changed my life. I was never really great at anything until, you know, because some people just have that one thing that they're good at, or lots of things they're good at, whereas I'm not really good at much. But I was always commented as a teenager on how I did my makeup differently to everyone else, and how I sometimes pushed boundaries and I inspired people to be a bit more bright and colourful, which that sticks with me. It makes my day, it makes me happy. So I truly do believe this is one of my callings in life. You know, it's one thing I'm good at, and I'm going to stick with it because I love it. If life doesn't carry on down this road, at least I'll know that I've always had it. And this is going to sound so shallow, but makeup really has changed my life in more ways than I'd like to say. Like, I'm not going to say too much because obviously I want it to be about the makeup, not about me having a sob story or whatever. But if ever I've had a really tough day where I've really struggled with my mind and my thoughts, I'll just sit and I'll calm myself down. I'll put on some music and I'll just put on makeup and I'll just sit and I'll think, and yeah, it really helps. So if anyone would like me to do any makeup therapy videos, because I know Alyssa Ashley did a couple and I love them, they're such a good idea. I do believe makeup can be great therapy, it can be very therapeutic, and yeah. So comment down below if you have had any personal experiences with makeup, or any other thing that's changed your life, or anything that makes you happy. It doesn't necessarily have to be makeup. You know, we can always chat. You know, this is a very safe channel, safe space. There'll be no hate here. If there's any hate, of course, it'll be deleted straight away. I do not tolerate hate or bullying or any phobic kind of comments, so anything will get deleted. It's going to be very positive. So of course, if anyone feels like they just need to chat, I know I'm just a girl who hasn't really got much subscribers or anything, but I am here. Although you don't know me personally, I can be a help because I'm a complete stranger. So you can always DM me on my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger. And if you feel like you're struggling and you need help, I'm always here to help. You know, I've learnt some tricks and ways to deal with things professionally. So, you know, because I've had help professionally. So if anyone needs any help, if they're struggling, you know, always message me, you know, privately, or if you feel a bit more comfortable messaging me, then obviously comment down below, but it's up to you. This channel always has and always will be a safe place for anyone to come and just enjoy makeup. So anyone, any gender, you know, any fluidity, any size, any, you know, race, it's all about makeup. And of course there's a lot going on in the world right now that's a bit scary and uncertain. So as always, I will comment down below some charities to get involved with, donate, and as always, spread positivity. I know the world isn't very positive right now, but you know, but as always, I will always say till the day I die, Black Lives Matter. And for those who are going to comment, but all lives matter, we're not saying all lives don't matter. We're saying Black lives need to matter the same as everyone else, because there's times where they're clearly held to a lower standard, and of course that should not be the case. Everyone should get treated equally, and you should get treated on how of an arsehole you are, basically. Me and my grandma have always said, we don't care who you are, we'll like you unless you're an arsehole. So just don't be an arsehole, and then maybe, you know, we'll get along. But I will comment down below some charities to get involved with, and as always, I know it's not necessarily just an Instagram post, but that can help, you know, spread awareness. And of course you can go on change.org, and there's loads of petitions you can sign to really help. And as always, you know, treat people how you would like to be treated, and just be positive. And let's hope that, you know, I don't think it's going to happen quickly, but soon we will get justice for, you know, all the poor people that have lost their lives. You know, Breonna Taylor, we need to seriously get on the hell with that. Like, what the hell's happening? Like, hurry up, arrest them. Like, but, you know, I never get political or anything like that. This is the last time I'm going to do it. Well, probably not actually. But as always, you know, as this is a safe place for anyone, of course, there's going to be no judgment here, no hate. And I hope, you know, you're staying safe. And the one advice I can give you that will work for anyone, don't be a dick. That's the best advice I could give anyone. It's up to you. But really, thank you for watching. I know it's a bit weird, I know usually it's about makeup, but today sometimes you just need to let out your emotions, and I did that today with makeup. So back to makeup. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.